All right, I have what is possibly the best table stand on Amazon for mics. Now, this is the most sturdy stand I've ever bought, and I've gone through a lot. I also have a boom arm setup, but this original use case was for a podcast, which is super nice because it basically allows for it to be a dynamic podcast, given that you can move this around easily, where a boom arm couldn't really give you that effect. Now, it's super nice because it's sturdy, it's got a great base, but it also extends, right? So if you have a taller guest or you have, a shorter one, it has some pretty wide range. And I think at its tallest, it goes up a little over 1.5 feet, which is pretty nice unless you have a very short table. But as long as your mics have a thread, a screw-on thread, basically you can just screw on any mic and really be off to the races. It's super easy and it comes this way, so there's really hardly any assembly at all, which makes this an outstanding product. And great bass, as you can see. I'll drop it and move it around. Very sturdy. You don't really have to worry about it being knocked over, and that's why I would highly recommend it for anybody.